Hey, what up, guys? This is Fabulous Tech Enthusiast, and I'm actually doing an unboxing of Beechmore books from London. So basically, here we have the little welcome card saying beechmorebooks.com, and it says a gratitude letter. I never travel without my dairy. One should always have something sensational in the road or the train. So basically, I really love this book. Well, notebook or dairy book or journal book, whatever the way you want to name it. It is amazing because it comes in a very, very nice way of actually gifting someone. I actually bought this to write my travels, to do my paperwork, my journals, my everyday or daily thing. So it gives you a website in the back and it provides you the title on the front. As well as you can see, it actually shows who it can belongs to, where you actually put your information. It does also provide that there's like a secret compartment in the back and the ribbon to actually close your notebook or your journal or your diary. So it is very compact. It's very, very, very lightweight. It's very nice. The quality says everything. It's amazing, amazing, amazing. I really strong recommend this. If you actually like this type of small reviews, you can always look up for more information on my channel, YouTube. Thanks for watching. Bye.